So I've recently discovered paint overspray all over my car, and it's kind of hard to see on the paint just because it's so dirty right now, but you can clearly see it on the exhaust tip, which I'll try to show you on camera. It might not come up. You can kind of see it in the white speckles there. But basically, I'm going to be trying to get it off the paint and on the black trim pieces and the exhaust as well. And what I'm going to use is a mother's clay kit for the paint. It comes with some clay bars, a microfiber cloth, and then basically just instant detailer. And then I'm going to use Goo Gone for the exhaust and the trim pieces. So that'll be my project for today. Yeah, there it is. You can see all the little bits of overspray. So that's what we're going to be trying to get at with the clay bar. And you can see it better on the exhaust now too, all those white speckles. That's the overspray there. So now that the car is clean, I'm going to go ahead and start doing the clay bar kit. And basically it just has 2 clay bars that come with it, and you should not need to use both of them. It comes with a microfiber towel and then the instant detailer. So all I'm going to really have to do is spray the detailer onto the surface of the paint and then use the clay bars to basically buff out any other substances on the paint that shouldn't be there. And then this is just for cleanup mostly. So now that the car is clean, you can see on the paint now that all the white spots are gone. Let's see if that focuses. So the trunk looks a lot better, but I did not have much success on the exhaust tips. You can still see all the white spots on those. So the Goo Gone didn't work that well on that. So I'm going to try something different and see what works.